In today's video, I am going to be stuffing my cash envelopes for my last paycheck budget. So if that is something that you're here for, go ahead and stay tuned. Welcome back to 12 Days of Christmas, where I am giving you one video every single day up until Christmas. And the video will be about something financial, or it might be a vlog, or, I don't know. But anyway, thanks for being here. So if you're here for the very first time, my name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on my channel I talk about all things finance with the emphasis on budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt. If you are not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, and also make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. So like I stated, I am going to be stuffing my cash envelopes. I'm going to be stuffing my daily envelopes, some sinking funds, and savings. Okay, I have a total of $290 here that I am going to be stuffing. Not much on today's video that I'm stuffing, and that is mainly because I am only I'm not stuffing that much, but I hope that you guys have been doing well. And I'm gonna be hosting a giveaway during today's video, so make sure that you guys stay tuned, because the way that this video, the giveaway is gonna be a little bit different. Okay, so let's count the money. 100, 150, 200, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90. So $290. Like I stated, it's not much this video that I am stuffing. And if you are beginning in stuffing, you probably will have some paychecks like this where you're not stuffing much. But as long as you are stuffing what you need to, then that is great. You stuff what you need. I know that some people have a lot to stuff, and that's amazing. Some people don't have as much, and for this particular video, I don't have as much to stuff. So the very first thing that I am going to stuff is my toiletries envelope. And now this is my daily wallet, FYI. So this is my So Crafty Sanaa wallet. Absolutely love this wallet, and this is where I carry my daily cash. And first, let me see if I have any money. I think I have something in my spending envelope. I have $6 here, so I'm just gonna put that over to the side. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I don't have any money in any other envelopes. All right, so eating out, don't have any money for that. Toiletries, I might as well just go right to that envelope, and that is beauty, and that's gonna be two 20s and a 10. All right, so I am going to be putting this $50 in beauty. Next up is, so that's it for my daily envelopes. So I really don't have anything else to put in this wallet. So I'm probably going to be changing my wallet, being that it's not much that I now carry as it relates to cash. So we'll see. But let me put this over to the side. Now I am going to be stuffing my sinking funds wallet, or binder rather. This is a binder. And first I'm going to go to household, which is my Costco envelope, and I'm going to be stuffing $60, so a $50 bill and a $10 bill. So in here I have 50, 150, 70, 80, so $180 in the Costco envelope. And then next is cleaners, and cleaners is going to get $50. And I believe that's just a $50 bill. Yep. So this is 100, 200, 20, 40, 55. So $255 in my cleaning envelope. I know the last time that I had put a lot of clothes in the cleaners, I think my bill was to something like almost 300, and I need this to be able to clean all of my clothes so I can start wearing them and stop feeling like I don't have any clothes. All right, and then next up is my skincare, and skincare is going to get a $20 bill here. Oops, that's medical. Where's the skincare? Right here. So this is $20, $30, $40 in skincare. And then next up is $10 for medical. And that is just a $10 bill. So we have in here $20, $40, $50, $65 in medical. All right, and that is it for this binder. Next up is my savings binder, and I'm gonna be saving the last $100 there. And let me see, where's the money? I think it's just, yeah, I took it out of December. So I just have it here in my savings envelope. And I'm just gonna add this $100. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, oh, $800. I don't know why I thought I had only 700. So, oh, I did, duh, I added the 100. So $800 in savings. And then once I'm done saving this 1,000, then I will put that money in the high yield savings. And actually this $6, I'm gonna put it back in this binder. I'm just gonna add it to the spending envelope. All right, so that pretty much wraps up everything. If you are still here, as far as the giveaway is concerned, so I am going to be giving away the Budget Moms budget book, the digital version. Right now it's on sale. And so the first 5 people to respond to this video, you'll let me know that you would love to be a recipient of the Budget Moms budget book. This is what I use and what tons of people ask me about. I am using the digital version from a couple of years ago, but it has been a great investment that I made. I think I paid like $27 for it. And I've just been printing it out every year and using it. It comes with like over 300 pages that you can use, but you will have to personalize it, which is what I have done. And I've gotten tons of compliments on this budget binder to where I will be creating my own one day in 2025. But if you are interested in the Budget Moms A Budget by Paycheck budget book, it is the digital version. I need you to put in the comments that you are interested in the Budget Moms Budget by Paycheck, and you have to put your email in the comments. I'm taking the first 5 people, and I will be giving or sending. The reason why I need your email is because you need to be able to get the actual workbook. So if you can put your email in the comments, and then also, because I was gonna have you guys come over to Instagram, but there are some of the besties who don't have Instagram, and I want everybody to be able to be a part of this. So if you can, please just leave your email address in the comments. Make sure you are subscribed, and then you also have to give this video a thumbs up, okay? And the reason why I have to take the first 5 people who comment is because she's having a sale on the book right now, and I don't know how long the sale is, and I don't want to miss it. So it'll be the first 5 people, which means that if I get at least 5 of y'all who watch the video tonight, you will have your workbook tonight in time for you to have your budget together, or the budget book that you will be using together for the new year. So that is pretty much it. Make sure that you guys are subscribed to the channel, and I will see you besties in the next video. Go be great. Peace out.